Okay guys, so today for my 2-second improvement video I would be making 50 panels of these ones, okay, and I will show you how the improvement I made so I can make them really fast. So first I had to grab my laid out panel. I can just grab maybe this one, Control copy, go Control V, okay, and I have to make a circle. I go to my layer, circle, and this is 38.5 radius, okay, and then I will have to offset 0.5 inches, and I will have to measure, offset 1 inch. There you go. Then I'll have to measure this one 2 inches. Then I'll have to connect the dots, okay, one by one by one. So I'll go to my layer, I'll go line, center, 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 and all the way around. Yes, this is tedious and it will take me all day. So I was not gonna do this for 60 panels, right? I'm not gonna do that. I was not gonna do it. So what I did was create just my first panel. I pasted it on a layout, which is this one right here. So I copy this one, okay, I go to my panel, okay, I paste it here, okay, I rotate it to wherever I want it to rotate, okay, so let's say I want it right there. Alright, so all I do is offset 1 inch, change to my layer, my lines to hidden. Oops, sorry, select similar, change all to hidden, and I'm done. Then I can start my panel to finish it with miscellaneous point line, 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 line. Yes, you know the deal here. I have to go one by one. There's no other way around for this one because this is the only line that the machine reads. So, yep. I mean, it's an improvement that I made to finish my panels faster. Okay, thank you.